Hello guys, so today I want to teach you how you can use your Naira account to fund and create US trading portfolio. Yes, you don't need to go and be scouting for dollars from Aboki or from Bureau de Change, or as the case may be. You don't need to do that. You can fund your trading account with Naira from your bank or from using your card, and then you do a conversion. Yes, and the conversion is so unique that it is the rate of central bank. That is the rate of central bank, not even the black market. So you can see that when you want to trade using this your account, you can touch a lot of continent, the American, the Europe, both Africa, cut across both Asia and all that. So this is what it is. I've just funded this my account with 10k, with 10,000 naira. So let me see how I'll be able to convert this 10,000 naira to dollars and then be able to buy foreign stocks, because that is the essence. And mind you, by the time you start buying foreign stocks, when you want to withdraw your money, you can as well withdraw your money in dollars and get that dollars paid into your domiciliary account here in Nigeria, and then withdraw in dollars when you go to your bank. For those of you who actually love going to Aboki to do exchange, you can as well do that. You can see the beauty of it, so that the money you invested was in Naira and then you are getting in dollars. So let me hit it right here and see. So this particular money that I just funded is in my Nigeria portfolio, cash Nigeria portfolio. So what do I need to do right now? I want to convert this money into dollars. So you can see it's a move or convert funds. Easily transfer funds between your NG portfolio and your other portfolios. Do you understand that? But when you want to do this, you need to first do one thing. You need to create a US portfolio, because this particular account I've not created US portfolio, because I want to use it to teach you, so that by the time you start, it will be easier for you to do. So from your right hand side, you can click on portfolio, my portfolio. This is my portfolio. This particular account is already on trading. So you see your right hand here, you just click on it and say create portfolio. So when you come here, you will see US portfolio. You say next, and then this is the privacy and the terms and condition. You can read that, take time to read it. I will check I have read it and say create portfolio. It's showing requested portfolio type requires a creation fee. Yes, good. So you can see you have to pay a certain amount for the creation fee, and the creation fee is usually approximately $3. Approximately $3. So what do I need to do right now? See what I'm going to do. So I'll come back here and come to my dashboard, come to balance. I'll come to my vault balance. So you have to fund this vault balance so that you'll be able to pay for the US portfolio creation. You understand? Because Trove is a third-party platform where you trade, so everything you need to do, they are just middlemen, so they are third parties, so they have to be paid for their services. So I'll click here and say fund this account. I'll fund it in Naira. I'll fund it in Naira. So I wanted to do one thing. I wanted to see if I could just move some funds. Okay. So let me fund it normally. Let me fund it as the case may be. I'll say fund in Naira. I'll choose bank transfer. I'll go ahead. So how much is $3 equivalent? $3 equivalent to Naira. Let me just put let me say I'll put 5,000. Let me put 5,000 and see. All this money, they will still be here. It's only $3 that will be removed. So see, this is the exchange rate. You can see the exchange rate. So at the end, I will get $4. I will get $4. The exchange rate is 1,230 naira. So I will say deposit. So I'll still do that to fund it for the fee. So I think network is a bit slow, so I'll just be patient and make sure that this thing works. Very good. So you can see the account is in process. So both the charges for the payment and all that will be inclusive. So I'll say pay now. So it will pop up my unique account number that Trove has given to me that I will use to be making almost all my transaction or my payments. So it is right there. So I will do a bank transfer right now and then enable I have made this bank transfer, and automatically the money will be funded. So that is what I will do right. So you can see the money has been credited. You see the way it is. So once you just use your bank transfer, you use your app and do the transfer. For those of you who are skeptical about putting your credit card, but I tell you, Trove platform is so unique and very reliable, so you don't need to be scared when you are doing any transaction with Trove. So this is cool. So once you do that, you can refresh your account. So you give it some time, the money have to be reflected here. Then that is when you'll be able to create your US portfolio. Do you understand that? Because by the time you come here and then enable this, you see it's still showing. So once the funds is there, you'll be able to create this portfolio. So when you create the portfolio, before you then convert this money that you have funded here into dollars, and when you are funding it, you can fund it in US dollar or you can fund it this and then move it there. So in the next video, we're going to confirm this, but I want us to be patient. Just be patient. Trove will respond to this and I will credit this US portfolio, and then we buy foreign stocks, because while you are taking this process is for you to be able to buy foreign stocks. And mind you, you don't need huge amount of money to start. You can start with as low as $5, $6, $4. There are stocks that are also $3 that you can buy. So let's be patient while they fund my vault balance. Okay, good. So at this stage you just need to understand that it takes a little while for any payment or any funding that is for foreign account. Where you make any payment for US portfolio, it takes few days to reflect. Okay, so that is that. So now this account has been funded and the US portfolio has been created. You see right here now, you can see the US portfolio. You can also see the NG portfolio, and then the fixed income. We don't use fixed income. Fixed income is just that you want to fix some funds. But right now, what you then have to do is you can continue to fund your account, this US portfolio. You can fund it with Naira. You can also fund it with dollars. If you want to fund it with dollars, you make a choice. Either you are using a card funding, you can see here now, either you are using a dollar debit card or wire transfer or barter. Barter, that is Flutterwave. Flutterwave gives you that access to do that. You can do a wire transfer, that is from bank directly. So that is that. You can also do the funding. I normally use the Naira funding, so I will just use my Naira account. I can do bank transfer. So once I pay into this particular account, you just go there, click on it and choose. You put amount that you want to fund, any amount that you want to fund. Automatically, by the time you fund it, it will convert on the current exchange rate into this account. So until when you fund it, that is when you'll be able to then start buying foreign stocks. Of course, when you see some foreign stocks on this your portfolio, you won't be able to buy because you don't have money in your portfolio. But once you have money, it will show you amount and the capacity to be able to buy. So even right here, for those of you who always ask me how will I convert my money into Naira or thereabout, whichever, you see it's already showing a US portfolio. So you can easily convert any amount and decide the destination that you want to pay the money into. If it's UNG, you directly fund the money. If it's your vault, mind you, the vault helps you to be able to receive money in dollars and also fund the money into your domiciliary account over there in Nigeria. Do you understand that? So, but if you want to fund your Naira account directly, it's also there for you. So that is what you would always understand, that is so easy, so simple for you to do. Again, one good thing that I want you to know is this: as you are creating an account, like I'm using my computer to do this recording. Most trading that I normally do, I use my mobile phone. Again, if you are venturing into investing using the Trove platform to do all this, make sure you have the app on your phone. The app on your phone will enable you to do a selfie when you want to create a new account, verification and all that. Also, the phone also helps you to be able to create your US portfolio, especially if on the desktop is giving you a little delay. You use your mobile phone to do that. It's very, very simple, flexible and all that. But if you need my assistance, if you need me to guide you, you just drop me a message on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line number is there. You can also message me on my Facebook page or drop a comment on this YouTube account. Yes, drop a comment on this YouTube account. I will definitely attend to it. And one good thing that you also need to do for me is, if you are just new to my page or to my channel, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button, so that anytime I'm dropping financial opportunities like this, training that I teach people how to trade, how to invest, you will always get my update. So that is one good thing you need to know. So in my next video as well, and for those who want to invest into IT is just the boom. You will also invest and make good money. So follow me in my next video, where I will be teaching you how to start buying foreign stocks and also how to follow them. But if you want to join my signal class, because I have very advanced signal class where I have my investors, only people that join me there are people who are already ready, in fact who are ready to invest or already investing. You just need a guidance and I'll give you all that you need. So that is all.